Have you ever been looking at something on your phone and thought, I really wish I could share this with someone? Or has someone asked you to share something with them that's on your screen? Well, that's where a screenshot comes in. So today I'm going to show you slowly and step by step how to take a screenshot. I'm an Android user, so I will use my Android phone to show you, and I'll also give you directions to do the same thing on an iPhone. It's quite a similar process, just a little bit of a difference. So grab your coffee and let's get into it. So step one is make sure whatever it is you want to screenshot is actively on your phone screen. So I'm going to screenshot this picture of this beautiful cat. So whether you have a recipe, any information, a picture that you want to screenshot, make sure it's actively on your screen. That's step one. Step two, let's look at the side of our phone. So you have your on and off switch, and above it you have the volume up and volume down. So to take a screenshot, you want to put your finger on the on and off switch and on the volume down. Now you want to press them both at exactly the same time, not one after the other, at exactly the same time. Don't hold them in. You just want to press them in and then let go. And you're going to hear a bit of a shutter sound, like a camera shutter sound, and then it's going to show a picture on your screen, and I'll show you what that looks like. So let's put our fingers volume down and on and off, and we're just simply going to press in and let go. Now you'll see there will be this little circle here that shows you that the screenshot has been taken. So now we're going to go to our gallery on our phone, to this little icon on an Android, and it will show that that's the last picture that was taken. There it is. Now you have taken a screenshot and you can send it to whoever you need to send it to. Want a printable step-by-step guide you can refer to later? Just click below for your free guide. If taking a screenshot doesn't work the first time, don't worry. This happens all the time. You have to just press the buttons at exactly the same time, not hold them very much, and just release. If you press them one after the other, it does something altogether different. If you hold it too long, it doesn't work. So press and hold at the same time and release really quickly. You don't have to hold it for very long. Don't worry, you get the hang of it. Please remember, there is no such thing as a silly technology question. So if you have any other questions about your phone, your computer, or any other technological device, all you need to do is leave a comment below and your question could become my next video. Technology is always changing, but learning something new is always possible. And I am so happy to have you here where we can go over these things together. Thank you so much for joining me here at Next Chapter with Amber, and I will see you next time.